so excited to tell you this bit of news. About 6 weeks ago, I started to come see Susan, Dr. Wood, with unbelievable knee pain. I had had arthroscopic surgery, cleaned up a little bit of a meniscus tear, did okay for a while, went to PT, still in a lot of pain, another PT, and was scheduled for a total knee replacement. And then I heard about Susan and her doing the McKenzie method. Didn't know what that was, but I wanted to investigate it. Came over and saw her, and what she did was short of a miracle. Number one, no total knee replacement. So excited about that. The second thing is she loaded me up with a toolbox that anytime I feel a tightness in my knee or I feel like it's just a little bit weak, I know what to do now. She has totally revolutionized the way I think about knee pain or any kind of pain in your joint. So I'm very happy to say that if you have any kind of knee pain or shoulder pain or back pain before you go under the knife or before you go to any other modality, come see Susan. Just try her one time and you will see a difference on your very, very first visit. My name is Laquita. People call me Q, and I'm very happy to be here. And today is my graduation day. Dun, 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 dun.